Morning, everyone. It's a new week and time to learn something new. I'm going to teach you. I always say we've learned the easy maths first, and now we're going to go up another level. But let's just go through the easy maths sum first. Okay, so we're going to do 245 plus 352. So we break up the sum first. 245 plus 352 equals, and then you go 200 plus 300, 500. 40 plus 50 is 90. 5 plus 2 is 7, and then you read 597, and then you write 597. Easy. You all know how to do that. I know you do. So now we're going to make it a little bit trickier. So let's look at the next one. This time we're going to do 245 plus 336. So we do what we always do. We break up the numbers first. So 245 is 245 plus, and then we'll do 336 equals 200 plus 300 is 500. 40 plus 30, 70. 5 plus 6 is 11. You all understand that. So now we're going to read the numbers at the end to make up our answer. 570, 11. 570, 11? That doesn't make sense. Okay, so now we have to make a plan. And this is where we're going to make it. Just do the next step. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take this number, 500. We'll write it underneath. Then we're going to put the 70. Then we're going to take our 11 and we're going to break it up. Remember, that 1 isn't a 1, it is a 10. And then 11 is a 10 and a 1. Okay, so there's the 500, there's the 70, there's our 11. Still 11, but we've broken it up. Okay, and then we're going to put our families together. So here's the 10 family, and 70 plus 10 is 80. Now let's read our answer. 581. And then we write it there. Okay, right, so that's just the first time. I'm going to do it a few times so you understand. So let's look at the next sum. This time, 336 plus 246. So we do what we always do, break it up. 336 plus 246 equals. Okay, 300 plus 200 is 500. 30 plus 40, 70. And then 6 plus 6, what is it? 12. Correct. I hope you got it as quickly as that. So now let's read it. 570, 12. Doesn't make sense. So now we need to break up this 12 and we're going to write the steps underneath. Okay, so first of all, we write down the 500 plus the 70, break up the 12. And 12 is a 10 and a 2. Okay, then we look. There's the two families, the 70 and the 10. 70 and a 10. What's 7 plus 1? It's 8. So 70 plus 10 is 80. Now let's read our answer. 582. And then we write it there. Okay, is it getting a little bit clearer? Let's do another one. 532 plus 449. Break up the number. 532 plus 449 equals 500 plus 400. 5 plus 4 is 9. So 500 plus 400, 900. 30 plus 40. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 30 plus 40 is 70. Right, 2 plus 9. Or 9 plus 2, that's the same. So we'll start from the 9 and we count on 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. You should know that because you've been learning your bonds at 11 last week. Okay, so 970, 11 doesn't make sense. So if it doesn't make sense, we add in the extra line. So we take the 900, write it down, plus the 70, take the 11, we're going to break it up, and it'll be a 10 and a 1. Put the 10s together, 70 plus 10, or if you can't remember, you know 7 plus 1 is 8, so 70 plus 10 is 80. Now I need your answer, 981. it getting a little bit clearer? Are you understanding? Let's do another one. 257 plus 436 equals 200 plus 400, or 400 plus 200, same thing. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 400 plus 200, 600. 50 plus 30, 5 plus 3 is 8. So 50 plus 30 is 80. Right, 7 plus 6. So those of you who know what double 6 is, that's 12, and then one more is 13. Okay, so now what do we do next? Tell me. Hopefully you said we're going to read this 680 13. Doesn't make sense, so we need to add in our extra line. So we'll write the 600 plus the 80, that's easy. Now we're going to break up the 13. That's a 10 and a 3. Okay, put our families together. 8 plus 1 is 9, so 80 plus 10 is 90. Now read the answer, 693. Okay, we're going to do another one. If you want to do it with me, go and get your whiteboard, pause this video, and then carry on with me with the next sum. Okay, hope you've got a whiteboard or a piece of paper, and we're going to do this together. So write down 629 plus 337. Pause it while you do it. Okay. Right, now break it up. 629 plus 337 equals, okay, 600 plus 300, 900. 20 plus 30, or 30 plus 20, 50. 9 plus 7 is 16. Okay, read the answer, 950, 16. Okay, pause the video and write the next step down, and then play again and see if you're correct. Okay, did you write down 900 plus 50, and did you break up the 16, which is 10 plus 6? Okay, pause the video, work out the answer. Okay, so hopefully first you said 50 plus 10 is 60, and then it's easy, 966, and then you write your answer down. Okay, right, I think there's one, oh no, that's the end. Okay, so if you're not sure, go and play that video a few times until you understand it, and then you're going to do the worksheet where you've got to do 6 of those sums by yourself.